In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Calendar as an app on your computer easily. This is a super handy way to access your Google Calendar right from your desktop without having to open your browser every time. Think of it like turning your calendar into a dedicated app, saving you just a little bit of time and adding a dash of convenience to your daily routine. Let's dive in and set this up together. It's pretty straightforward and shouldn't take more than a few minutes. First up, open your Google Calendar in your web browser. You can do this by typing in calendar.google.com into your address bar, and it should take you right to it. If you're not logged in, you'll need to sign in with your Google account to access your calendar. Once you're in, look around and make sure you're familiar since you're going to be working with this interface outside the typical browser setup. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of Google Chrome where you'll spot three vertical dots, also known as the More Tools menu. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu offering various options. Don't worry if you're not familiar with all the options here. For this process, you'll want to hover over the option called Cast, Save and Share. This will further open up another menu where you'll select Create Shortcut. When you click Create Shortcut, a pop-up will appear allowing you to customize how you want this app to appear on your desktop. Here you'll see the default name, which is typically something like Google Calendar. Now this is where you can get creative. You might want to keep the default name, or perhaps you prefer something more personalized or descriptive. It's entirely up to you. This little step of naming helps you find it quicker and keeps your desktop organized the way you like it. After you're satisfied with the name, look at the pop-up window once more and verify everything's in order. You'll see a checkbox that asks if you want to open this as a window. If you check this box, Google Calendar will launch in its own window, free from the extra clutter of tabs and the address bar. This gives it the feel of a standalone app, which is particularly useful if you want to focus solely on your calendar without the distractions of a web browser. Finally, with all that set, simply hit the Create button. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar is now an app on your computer, ready to be clicked open whenever you need to check your schedule or plan your day. You'll find the shortcut right there on your desktop, and you can move it to your taskbar or start menu if that's where you prefer to keep it. Enjoy the newfound convenience, and may your scheduling be ever more productive and efficient.